How to have blank highlight name on Instagram. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this tutorial. Open up your Instagram application. Now tap on the user icon which is at the bottom in your right hand corner. Go ahead and select on it. Tap on the new option to create a new highlight. Here I'm selecting some of my random stories to add in my highlight. Tap on Next. When you try to leave it empty and tap on the Done option, you will see that it automatically set it as highlight. So if you want to keep it as blank or minimal, what you have to do is press and hold onto your highlight and head to Edit Highlight. Remove the highlights here, then either add a full stop or any of the minimum symbol that you can use. And that is how we can keep it to minimal without keeping a blank. It is a quick and easy process. However, if you face any of the difficulty regarding it, you can check out this next step. Open up your Play Store and in the search bar, search for your Instagram. Leave your Instagram application for an update. Now, once you have done this step, you can head back from here. Next step is to press and hold onto your Instagram application and head to App Info. Force stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. And this will help you with the bug or the glitch issue. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.